Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to price your freelance writing services in 2026. Now, if you are confused about the rates or want to charge confidently, this guide is going to help you set the right prices and earn what you are worth. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to choose how you want to charge. So writers use three types of main pricing models. First would be of the per word, which is great for the blogs. The second would be of per project, which is best for the landing pages, emails, and scripts. The next would be of monthly retainers. So it is good for recurring income for the online content. So you can pick the one based on the type of writing that you do. You can also come here on Fiverr Pro and click on the option of writing and translation. Over here, as per the writing niche, you are going to see a bunch of different gigs. For example, for the article and the blog posts, you can click on any of these gigs and basically you can get the general idea of how people are actually charging on these types of platforms. As you can see, this particular woman is charging on the hourly basis, so you can also select the model how you want to charge. In the second step, you need to set the starter rates based on your niche. So different niches pay differently. Like the general blog post is going to get you 0.05 to 0.10 cent per word. The tech and the writing is going to give you 0.15 to 0.30 per word. The email copy is going to get you 100 to $400 per sequence, and the website copy is going to give you 300 to $1,500,000 per project. So specialized niches have the higher rates, so you need to also know this. So if a topic needs deep research or the interviews, you can raise your rate. Simple lifestyle article costs less, and the high expertise topics cost more. Always factor in time and not just the word counts. You can also offer certain packages, like packages increase your income and make the pricing easier for the clients as well. Like for 4 blog posts, you can select the pricing per month. For 8 emails, you can select the pricing per month. Website homepage and about page bundle, you can just simply give your clients. So clients actually love the bundle pricing because it is predictable and it helps you earn more consistently. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.